Inside Monarch High School, this looks like your average biology class.
With our knowledge of macromolecules.
Until teacher Kristen Donnelly turns on her projector.
So go ahead and put on your glasses.
And takes learning in a new direction.
DNA consists of 2 strands.
Into the third dimension.
It has 3 loops.
This actually brings molecules out towards them. So they feel like they can touch them and they can experience them. So it becomes more real life.
Into the cytoplasm.
For students, this makes biology that much easier to understand, even at the molecular level.
I've always had a really hard time understanding what a molecule looks like and how it can be rotated and how it changes. But with the 3D movie, it shows it rotating.
3 hydrogen bonds.
It makes me really interested in the topics that we're studying about. It's a new way to see things.
And then G in green and C in blue.
And unlike models, Donnelly believes students have a better understanding of the subject watching it in 3D.
The amino acids are bound
She says her class's essay test scores are up 10%.
With essay writing, now they're playing those videos to talk about description and understanding of the content.
Cost is the biggest obstacle when it comes to bringing 3D technology into the classroom. Just to give you an idea, a computer plan combined with a projector and about 30 pairs of 3D glasses costs $10,000.
There's a couple hurdles. One of them is to make it affordable.
Donnelly hopes that companies making these 3D programs can find cheaper options,
rRNA
so students can continue to see images like this in their classroom.
nucleotides
In Louisville, Sarah Morris, Channel 2 News.
forming a chain of mRNA on the DNA strand. Then it detaches from the DNA